help each other. Let's go and take a look. Little bird, what happened?
We fell down from the nest. We can't get back home.
Don't worry, I'm good at climbing trees, so I'll take you up there. I should make a basket first. Please place little bird inside the basket. Please send the little birds home with me. Monkey feels dizzy from the bad smells. Please get the smell out. Annoying mosquitoes, please shoo them away. Urgently untie the plant and save Monkey.
Oh, we're home. Thank you, Monkey.
I'm happy to help you. Monkey is keen on helping others. Shout it out. Help others and feel happy. Let's get a photo together. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Let's give a big hand to Monkey, the good helper.
Ouch, ouch!
It's okay. Let me have a look. Uh-oh, you have plaque on your teeth. I'll remove it all. Your teeth are yellow. I'll brush them. Your tongue needs to be brushed too. You have too many bugs on your back. I will get them off. that scratch?
Wow, now it's okay. Thanks, little bird.
I'm so pleased to help you.
Little bird is good at helping others. Shout it out. Help others and feel happy. Let's get a photo together. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Let's give a big hand to Little Bird, the good helper.
What can I do? I can't find the medicine for Grandma.
Calm down. I'll look for it. Let's look for the medicine for Turtle. Yes, it is what I was looking for. No, it is not. No. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. Yes, it is what I was looking for. Let's give the medicine to Grandma Turtle. Click the bush to help Puppy cross the river. You should not step here. You should not step here. You should not step here. We're almost there. Hang on.
Grandma's better. Thanks for helping us.
My pleasure. I'm happy that she's okay now. Puppy is good at helping others. Shout it out. Help others and feel happy. Let's get a photo together. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Let's give a big hand to Puppy, the good helper. What can I do? I dropped my key inside the hole. I'm Mole. I'm good at digging. I'll help you out. I found these keys inside the maze. Move, Mole, and find the key. Let's open the door for Puppy with keys.
Awesome.
Great!
Awesome.
The door is finally opened. Thanks, Mole.
I'm pleased to help you. Mole is keen on helping others.
Shout it out. Help others and
Wow! Lots of fruit to be picked. Let me help you.
Good for you.
Collect the fruit for Monkey.
Move Colt and get the fruits. We haven't got enough fruits yet.
Sort and place the same kind of fruits together.
You cannot find it here.
You sorted the fruits well.
Thanks for your help. Please take these fruits.
You're welcome. I was happy to help you.
Colt is good at helping others. Shout it out. Help others and feel happy. Let's get a photo together. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese.